Penelope Featherington.
The way you were dancing with her looked rather interesting. You're courting the girl, Bridgerton.
Ah, are you mad? I would never dream of courting Penelope Featherington. Not in your wildest fantasy.
This is the last song I'll write about you. I need to move on. I think
Good night, Mr. Bridgerton.
Do you not need a chaperone?
Spinsters do not need chaperones.
You are not a spinster.
I'm a woman.
You are Pen. You do not count. You're my friend.
Of course. Your friend.
Pen.
Colin! I did not know you would be here.
Sorry to disappoint. I will always look after you, Penelope. You are special to me.
As are you. To me.
That you cared for me. That you would never forsake me.
Locksmith. We said forever and said it.
I wrote to you this summer, as I always do, and well, you did not respond. Admittedly, very few did, but if you are going to make me say it out loud, I miss you.
There's always so much more to say than one can put onto the page. You miss me. You miss me, but you had never caught me, is that correct?
Pen,
I overheard you at my mama's ball last season, telling everyone how you would never ever court Penelope Featherington.
Our relationship has taken shape so naturally over the years. One could take it for granted. You have always been so constant and loyal.